So there is no plans to salvage in this to make it into an RV again?
It will never exist as an RV again, ever.
We don't have keys or title or keys or not.
I have no desire to put this on public roads again.
This is hilarious.
It'll be a satisfying pressure washing video.
Sure. Blow holes in the side.
I think we get naked, turn the pressure washers on, cue the music.
Profit.
It is time for Magnivanning. I mean, we're gonna clean this bad boy up. We're gonna get her looking good, and we're gonna look good doing it. Are you ready? By the end of this cleaning session, we gotta have a plan. Well, we're gonna push it outside and pressure wash it in our underwear, and then push it back inside.
In our underwear.
In our underwear.
If you'd like to see us in our nude, subscribe to our Patreon.
Only Vans.
Only Vans.
Alright.
Buckle up.
Go ahead.
Alright, go ahead, Eric. Slowly though.
Let's make a mess.
Very hard to get that out.
How much is this actually going to clean?
We got the van.
I don't know. I think it was his boot for the.
You guys are wearing swim trunks? I thought we were.
Good point.
Are you gullible? You guys never tell me anything.
Hey team, let's get to work. 1, 2, 3, Magnivan! There's a thing of simple green over there if you wanted to dump it in there.
Seen the Magnivan, filthy is blinding. Tan vision, that fiberglass shining. 8 pistons firing, bees are always swarming. Short shorts on, power warships thundering. Aaron the Scion, we got the dream team. Get ready to clean, like a hot scene. Scrub it down, we're gonna shine. Dirty boys working overtime. Hairy muscles, sweats it in line. Clean machine, ready to shine. Soccer Peter, he's watching through the shades. Walker clapping while the music plays. Who's got the camera singing average plan? Aaron's trash bag shoe, call him the diplomat. This ain't no glitch, this is the moment. Reverse 70s flick, oh yeah, we own it. Scrub it down, we're gonna shine. Dirty boys working overtime. Hairy muscles, sweats it in line. Clean machine, ready to shine. Sweaty, dirty, victory for fun. Magnivan's cleaving, the job is done. Wet hugs, man, hair in the sun. Days one and the boys hell of one. Scrub it down, we're gonna shine. Dirty boys working overtime. Hairy muscles, sweats it in line. Clean machine, ready.
Here at Lift Arc, we are proudly supported by Arc 3 Gases. Arc 3 Gases has supported me for my entire fabrication career, even back when we were at Black Dog. All of our welders, all of our welding gas, everything came from them. And when I started my new shop, I knew who to go to. If you're anywhere near the East Coast or even the whole right half of this country or the entire country, because they ship, you should consider Arc 3 Gases for all your welding supply, metalworking tools, and gas and consumable needs. They are a wonderful company with an amazing selection of parts, and of course if they don't stock it, they can order it for you, and they can even drop ship straight to you from the manufacturer. They offer free training and education with any of the tools that they sell or can source for you, and they stand by their product and they're extremely helpful. So shout out to Arc 3 Gases. Go check them out for any welding knowledge, education, supplies, or otherwise. They support us and they allow us to continue making free content for you guys, so definitely consider supporting them the next time you're in the market for welding tools and equipment. Back to the video. Yeah.
So what do you think now that you guys are filthy?
It's like somebody put up
and Magnivan's all clean.
It was like you know, osmosis, electrolysis. The dirt was removed and then deposited. Aaron's got a tan and tattoos, so you can't tell, but on my marshmallow body, you can kind of see it. Hey man, she looks good.
Yeah.
I'm just here.
I heard we were getting naked.
I just love the idea that, like, yeah, Riverdale, up and up. We're cleaning it up. It's becoming a professional place for creators who are serious. And then we're just
J.K. Lowell's, we got an RV.
We're just naked, pressure washing a pile of trash outside of our new shop.
All the old timers drive by. Some things never change.
I'm proud of those boys.
All right, so
Let's see, fuck all.
this is just going to be talking to here, but it's going to be talking about next steps with Magnivan. The ideas you guys came up with while you're power washing it, i.e.
Oh shit, I was supposed to be thinking.
Podcast studio.
Yeah, we already have a plan. Hi, Emily.
This is normal. This is what you should come to expect from us.
Oh, we're
give you a little
neighbors.
flavor.
This is now officially the Lift Arc work outfit. Uniform, thank you.
You know what? It did feel really good to be in the sun and get wet. I've not had any recreational H2O fun this summer.
It's been nice watching you boys work.
I'll tell you what. There's a show. It's a show. It's not the show. Well, okay, so we did it. Boy, she looks good. The old girl's got some shine underneath all that moss.
Don't we all?
So I'm not ashamed of it anymore, and well, now we can put her where we want her. Find a spot in the back and place it for our, spoiler alert, podcast studio.
Ooh.
Lift Arc After Dark, title pending.
Speakeasy was overruled.
Sorry, someone's playing car wash.
For us. Guaranteed that. Guaranteed.
Yeah.
They're like, those boys,
Probably,
I know what they need.
That's probably Jacob. Yeah.
That's amazing.
So, you know, it's a cubicle. That's what it is. It's a sexy 70s cubicle
Where Walker will live.
where we will shun Walker until he makes us all YouTube millionaires.
That was a very
That's
good
the plan. I'm not getting any yes and from these two. That's all we got.
I mean, Speakeasy, podcast studio, where Walker lives.
I thought we were trying to clean it up, though.
Yeah, well, Walker's...
That's going to take us in the wrong direction.
If there's any place where I could see pimento cheese being eaten at 9 a.m.
It's the same color as a carpet.
Yeah.
Ugh. Guys, if there's a nutritionist out there and they want to study Walker for a day.
His dad's a doctor. What went wrong?
Yeah.
I think it was a bone doctor.
That's what went wrong.
First episode of Lift Arc's podcast, we study Walker's eating habits in the Magnivan.
Too closely.
We eat pimento cheese at 8:30 a.m. The next episode of Lift Arc's podcast.
So, go over some of the things you noticed outside that we got to fix.
No.
There's some holes.
It's not fixing shit, Will.
Go over next steps then. If we're going to turn this into a podcast studio.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're looking for a more concise answer.
Yeah, the inside. What are we looking at doing? You know, like and subscribe, all that shit. Follow us on Patreon. Comments.
Saying it like that.
All the amber lights on here we should wire for a recording sign.
Oh, nice.
When we
On
flip it
air.
on, yeah, get our on-air recording.
That'd be cool. So she looks good. She feels good. We need to put it where we want it and wire it up, and then figure out some AC because it's going to be hotter than you know what in here.
Need to figure out some lights.
Lights
Inside and outside.
Yeah, I think we do it real shoestring. Just run some electrical. What am I looking for? Extension cords.
Sure.
Some Christmas twinkle lights.
Some twinkle lights. Really establish an ambiance in here.
Yeah.
Some
Turn the mics.
AstroTurf out here, some folding chairs,
I do
some
love
waiting
that.
Do you
area.
still have those speakers? Those old wooden box speakers? Those look great
I have
in here.
several old receivers too. We can.
Yeah.
We are done. We got to clean the inside now. If you want an actual step 2, we got to finish cleaning the inside, wire it up, put it in the shop in a less offensive location, and then the magic happens. If you want to see what happens to this thing, you know what you got to do. You got to get subscribed. You got to get in the comments. You got to hit the like and the bell. Please, for the love of God, if you're not subscribed, you're doing yourself a disservice, and someone's going to come find you unless you get subscribed.
It's gonna be him. He's the one that comes.
Spike's going to come hunt you down and give you so many high fives and compliments that you won't be able to stand it until you subscribe.
But like aggressive. You won't want him. It'll
Yeah.
be too much.
Be like sarcastic.
You're doing a great job.
Yeah.
You should be proud of yourself. And I bet your parents are too. And if they don't say it enough, they think it.
What's happening?
We are currently trying to move the Magnivan into its home, its resting
Rehoming
location.
it.
Yeah, and unfortunately the Magnivan is not too sharp on its heels. You know, it's had some new hips replaced, it hasn't quite grown into them. But she's getting there. Yeah, look, she's twisted. Yeah, look at that old girl move.
Well, there's the Magna plan unfolding in front of your eyes.
Magnificent.
Okay. It is now 3:02 on a Friday. Lofty goal. When would you like to have? Let's just
2 weeks.
2 weeks have our first podcast being filmed out of here.
Yeah. 2 weeks I think is being generous.
Yeah. I don't think Tay will give us much more leeway than 2 weeks.
Well, I mean, I'm trying to guess how much time it might take also.
Yeah.
I mean, what we really need to do is just like get suited up,
Yes.
Get-
Hazmat style.
tarps, and tear all this out, and then take the tarps out,